we out here, big baby. That's popular. I've seen a lot of those, the Manhattan burgers. Hello. That was nice of her. Offered a smile. Smile can brighten a person's day. Look at these beautiful buildings, guys. Beautiful architecture right here. Would you guys live here in these apartments? Let me know in the comments. This is the nicer side of Brussels. You guys seen some of my other videos? I do have You in the Hood, which is Brussels Nord. Oh my goodness gracious. Brussels Nord is something else. I gotta stop so you can look at these apartments, man. Check them out. How much do you think one of these apartments here will cost? Not even to buy, just to like rent, to live here for a while. I personally wouldn't. I love living in countries. You know, like I've lived in Georgia, I've lived in Kazakhstan, which to me means more than a month. And I love living in Eastern European countries and Asian countries just because they're inexpensive. A lot of bang for your buck. Some beautiful living here, guys. It even smells good. And guess what? No outdoor urinals, no public urinals, like in Brussels Nord. Let me take you into the neighborhood, man, so you guys can see. Look at this. Some beautiful living right here. Got the Texas flag right there. I don't know why. The man pushing a stroller, which is an oddity, but you see it here. And it wouldn't be a Brussels neighborhood without an impressive architectural church. Look at this. Came out of nowhere too. I had no idea this was here. They just surprise you like that. Let's go check it out. This is a neighborhood, dude. This is a neighborhood church. Le digo a la gente que esta es una iglesia aquí de la ciudad, aquí, del barrio, como se dice, porque en la ciudad de Bruselas hay varias, pero estas, cada barrio tiene, y todas son impresionantes, así como esta irá, y hay más impresionantes. Y este es un barrio muy bonito. Miren nomás. Qué bonita. Muy bonita. I like Brussels because they don't honk. All right, I'm gonna stop right here, guys. Here we go. Yep. I definitely don't like the bumpiness. She didn't like that. She is on the bike lane. Oh, they got matching colors. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at that pit bull. Strongest dog I've seen here in Brussels. End it here, guys. I'll pick back up in a little bit.